Get ready to meet a machine that redefines precision and style, the 2025 Suzuki GSX-8R. This bike is built to dominate the streets and captivate every eye it passes. From the front, the 2025 Suzuki GSX-8R makes a bold and aggressive statement. Its aerodynamic design is sharpened with sleek edges and a low-slung fairing that hugs the frame perfectly. The wide stance enhances stability, while giving the rider a commanding presence on the road. Suzuki has integrated subtle body contours that channel airflow efficiently, reducing drag while boosting performance. It's not just about looks. The front design is engineered for real-world speed and function. The compact windscreen merges into the body seamlessly, adding both style and utility. The result? A front profile that screams speed even at a standstill. The GSX-8R's LED headlights are nothing short of futuristic. With a vertically stacked dual-beam configuration, they provide powerful illumination and a signature look. The lighting setup is designed for high visibility, both for the rider and to alert others on the road. Suzuki's designers have opted for a crystal-clear lens with precision-cut reflectors that optimize beam spread. Whether you're riding through fog or darkness, these lights deliver unwavering confidence. The DRLs wrap around the main beams like a blade, giving it that aggressive, piercing stare. It's a look that says, "Get out of the way, I'm coming through." In essence, the headlights complete the GSX-8RS menacing front face. Move to the rear, and the taillight continues the sharp, purposeful design language. It's a sleek, integrated LED strip that's razor-thin yet incredibly bright. Suzuki's signature lighting pattern ensures that you're unmistakable even in low-light traffic. The tail section is sculpted to flow with the rest of the body, tapering into a clean, minimalistic rear end. There's no unnecessary bulk, just streamlined design and maximum efficiency. The LEDs are responsive and instantaneous, offering both safety and sophistication. Whether braking or signaling, the taillights perform with absolute clarity. It's the kind of rear lighting setup that leaves a lasting impression long after you pass by. The 2025 GSX-8R sports a compact, low-mounted exhaust that perfectly balances form and function. Coated in matte black with a stainless steel tip, the design is discreet yet muscular. It doesn't protrude awkwardly. Instead, it flows with the bike's lower lines, enhancing aerodynamics. The exhaust note is deep and throaty, refined enough for the city, but aggressive when you twist the throttle. Suzuki has fine-tuned the baffle system to create a sound that's both performance-driven and street-legal. Emission standards are met without compromising character. It's a setup that's built for modern roads, but with a soul that howls when pushed. You'll feel it and hear it every time you ride. From behind, the GSX-8R exudes confidence and control. The compact tail unit under seat lines and tucked-in indicators make for a clean and disciplined design. The width is just right, slim enough to slice through traffic, yet broad enough to command the lane. The pillion seat is seamlessly integrated, giving it a sharp race bike aesthetic. It's the kind of rear view that turns heads at traffic lights and commands respect on twisty roads. The number plate bracket is mounted cleanly, without disturbing the design flow. This isn't just the back of a bike. It's a view that signals the end of the competition as you ride away. The side profile of the GSX-8R is where art meets engineering. Its fairing hugs a parallel twin engine tightly, forming a sculpted, wind-slicing silhouette. The tank curves up with muscle, offering a natural grip for the rider's knees. From this angle, every component, frame, suspension, swing arm, looks like it belongs on a track-spec machine. Suzuki's color palette enhances the layers of detail, from the contrasting accents to the brushed metal textures. You'll also notice how well the exhaust and underbody elements are integrated, maintaining balance and symmetry. This side view makes it clear. This isn't just a sport bike, it's a statement of intent. The 2025 GSX-8R rides on lightweight, multi-spoke alloy wheels that are as aggressive as they are functional. Coated in matte black with machined edges, they offer a stealthy yet premium look. These wheels are not just about aesthetics. They're engineered for cornering agility and road grip. Wrapped in high-performance radial tires, the contact patch is wide and confidence-inspiring. Whether you're leaning into a curve or braking hard, the wheels provide unwavering support. The rear wheel is slightly beefier, emphasizing its sporty stance. It's a combination of strength, style, and speed, engineered to perform under pressure. At the heart of the GSX-8R lies a robust 776 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine that roars with purpose. Tuned for an ideal blend of mid-range torque and top-end power, it's built to thrill both street riders and track enthusiasts. The liquid-cooled motor is smooth yet aggressive, with instant throttle response that makes overtaking a breeze. Suzuki's advanced fuel injection and ride-by-wire system ensure precise power delivery in every gear. It's not just about going fast. It's about feeling connected to the machine. Vibration is minimal, and heat dissipation is optimized for rider comfort. This engine is a heartbeat of the GSX-8R, and it doesn't miss a beat. Inside the cockpit, the full-color TFT speedometer is a showcase of modern tech and rider convenience. It's crisp, responsive, and loaded with information, from real-time speed and gear position to fuel range and riding modes. The layout is intuitive, allowing you to glance quickly without distraction. Brightness adjusts automatically to ambient light, keeping things visible in all conditions. The display also supports Bluetooth connectivity for navigation and call alerts. Even the animations when switching modes are smooth and premium. It's not just a screen. It's a command center that keeps you in total control, wherever the ride takes you. The 2025 Suzuki GSX-8R is more than just a motorcycle. It's a bold evolution of power, design, and rider focus. Stay tuned and revved up, because this beast is built to lead, not follow. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more luxury reviews.